Hey, counsel, I just wanted to do this quick video on how to make a irresistible offer specifically for legal clients and lawyers. I've seen a number of videos about how to do this in a more general sense, but I haven't really had a lot of seen a lot of detail on doing this specifically for lawyers and law firms. So I wanted to make this specifically for you and how you can put this to practice right away with the next prospect that you talk to. So let's get right into it. Um, Russell Brunson says, pick a market that you understand and create an offer that will blow their minds. So you may have heard this quote before: a compelling offer is 10 times better than a convincing argument. I, I think that's real clever and very true. And basically, an offer it's not a product or a service. It's taking a product or service plus the benefits and bundling them together, combining them together into this really great uh, uh, offer that your target audience can't live without. So that's what it is. So this is how you are going to escape the price shoppers and all the prospects that you talk to who are just uh, trying to go for to lowball everyone. And you're going to elevate yourself way above your competition. So price is never going to be an issue for the people that want to hire you. And that this is how you elevate yourself over every other law firm. And they're going to be you put your prospect in a position where they can't wait to hire you. So here's how to differentiate yourself. The whole main premise of this is to just stack value. What you want to do is stack as much value as you can, and this can be applied to your lead magnet, your whether it's a small offer like a do-it-yourself course to get them kind of in the door, get used to buying with you, all the way into your big high ticket offer when you have them on a Zoom call, Zoom consult, or in your office. So it's applied at all these stages. So some examples being like, your free divorce guide that shows you the exact steps to maximize your parental rights and your community property, as an example. So it's always the thing that they really want and a major benefit of what it is that results from getting your service. This free guide will teach you how to put a stop to the thing that they hate without doing something else that they hate. The truth about something that is an obstacle for them, that this certain person or entity doesn't want you to know about. So maybe it's a special hack to get through the uh, um, you immigration office. Um, how this simple solution can do the benefit that they really want. The amazing secret about your product, about your service or problem that you're solving, and you always want to keep them curious. So you want to get them to click through, or continue to listen as you're going through the offer with them. And another example being like top 3 ways to protect you and your children from an abusive ex, or top 3 ways to um, get your estate plan in order. Uh, so some top three you could apply to anything um, that they're looking for as far as benefits go. A full training course on how to protect my parental rights in a divorce. A full training course on how to keep the most amount of assets. I know these are kind of like divorce uh, related examples, but just plug in the things that they really desire, or the result that they're going to be getting when they hire you, or when they get uh, your service. Instant letter to your ex to cease, or the instant letter to do something that they really want or stop something that they really hate. Access to uh, your estate planning support, estate planning group, or divorce custody support group. That you want to just you're giving access to other resources, people who can give them continued value and help through the situation that they're in. Instant access to my uh, business hotline or tax hotline. It's really your phone number, but when you frame it this way, it attaches more value to it, and more, and it entices them. Is really what it does. Um, Access to all my uh, specialized research experience, access to my network of highly successful professionals in this particular area of law, as well as jurisdiction, location. 12 high level sessions with me to strategize your case from A to Z for the next year. So these are all things that like you're basically going to be doing for them anyways, or that they're going to get in some way, shape, or form anyways. But no one like talks about it that way. So what you want to do is you want to stack all of these things, and then you attach values to them. So what'll end up happening is, who would you rather hire? Would you rather hire lawyer A, where they're okay, when they get them in the office, say, I can help you. I need a $3,000 retainer, and that's 10 hours of representation. And they just sort of just walk them through the process step by step. Here's what's going to happen. So let's write me a check for $3,000. That's lawyer A. Or lawyer B says, I can definitely help you here, and uh, I'm going to make a call to either party that I'm representing you in this manner. I'm going to write them a letter. You're going to get my step-by-step strategy to maximize your rights. You're going to get the top 3 ways to protect yourself in this specific type of issue. You're going to get 10, 20 hours of representation time. You're going to get access to my special hotline, access to a support group of past clients who've been through the same thing, access to my network of expert professionals, access to all my experience of settling these types of matters, access to my negotiation and knowledge of the particular court and judges here, and 12 high level strategy sessions on your case. So you just have this huge amount of value that you just layer in front of them, and you frame it where you have, okay, they're getting at least 10 times the amount of value that they are for what they're investing. So when you compare it this way, it really it blows their mind. They can't wait to hire you when you hit the using the words that they use to describe what it is that they want, and so you, because you really know your market, you know your audience, so you plug in exactly what it is that they want, and you just layer it. You present it this way, and it really excites them. As I said, you want to demonstrate that they're getting at least 10 times more than what your asking price is. The assignment is come up with 4 to 5 offers to A/B test. So you want to answer these questions: is what matters most to your clients? What are the things you can bundle together for your clients? What's the offer that they have to have so badly? Whether it's to get divorced, whether it's to get file for bankruptcy, get an LLC, get their estate in order, uh, avoid probate, whatever it is. You want to get them to say, "Oh, I have to give this lawyer my email address because I really have to have this thing, or I have to hire you right now because I really have to make this problem go away. I need to get. I can't go to jail. I can't do any time. So what do I need to do to give you my credit card right now?" Focus on the benefits instead of the features. Benefits are what does it actually do for them? What does their life look like after this problem has gone away? Features are more of what are things that do. What are the things that a feature being like, I have 15 years experience in this particular area of law. So always focus on the benefit of um, what you're doing, and then describe, as I said, describe what their life will look like after they uh, hire you, and describe what is their reward. Those are the things you want to focus on to bring them in, and just remember to pique their curiosity. That's really effective. So try this with your next prospect and watch them whip out their credit card to hire you. Um, this will take some time to optimize, so you just want to start testing it. But none of your competitors are doing this. They're not presenting their services this way. If you just start doing it this way, you're going to start getting a much better response in your consultations, in your communication with them, and it'll have a profound effect on your conversion. So let me know how it goes for you, and any other uh, challenges you may have with putting this together. You can put them in the comments section if you're watching this on YouTube, or in our Facebook group. If you like this kind of content, please share it with a friend, a colleague, a fellow lawyerpreneur, and we just want to help as many lawyers as we can escape the legal rat race and automate their law firms and increase their uh, client acquisition, and just grow their practice and run it like a business. So let me know about your successes, and I'll see you guys in the next one.